For your mundo, you'll need flour and oil, and you can even add some food coloring or essential oils. We're going to go ahead and add the oil first, and we're going to use 2 tablespoons. Now we'll add the food coloring. You're going to use quite a few drops so that you can get a dark color. Make sure that as you're adding it, you're also mixing it up really well. Now we'll add the flour, and we're going to use 1/2 cup. At this point, if you choose to use any essential oils, you can go ahead and add them. Today I'm going to use lime. Now you can take a plastic spoon and mix it all together, and make sure that you break down any clumps that you find in there. Once you mix it up really good with the spoon, you can start using your hands to keep on mixing it all together. And now you have some awesome mundo to play with at home. This is a nice activity because you really only need 3 ingredients, and it has a neat texture. You can even use it to practice forming your shapes and your letters with a toothpick, and then just use your fingers to erase when you're done. Hope you guys have fun with this. See you next time!